I'd say it's gonna start to rain soon. In fact, it already is. But that's alright. I got my poncho. It's gonna take a hell of a lot more than this to stop me. What did I say? It was gonna take a lot more than that to stop me, right? A little bit of rain? That was nothing. That's the circle of life. A storm comes in, and then it passes. Yep, that's just the way things go. But hey, what do I know? I'm just a 30-year-old moron. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and act like some sort of man of wisdom, but I do know this. Appreciate the time you got with the ones you got. Drive fast, take chances, and enjoy the ride.